Alright, we got everything pretty much where we want it now with the face. So we want to cut out our eye holes here. And I'm going to use a 5/8 to start the hole here, and then we'll cut around it. Got our eye holes cut out, so we can start to work on that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. For our eye holes, we have to cut this out in here, and we have to take some of this out in here so it doesn't interfere with our spring once we connect our spring. So we'll be working back, taking that out, and then going to front to further refine it. We got to go down about close to 1 inch to where we want to get it for our eye holes. So we'll do that, then we'll come back. It's kind of hard to show you that as you just see the drill in there cutting. So thanks for watching.